This air vent is too close to the furnace, the return air. Gases from the furnace and the water heater could come out through this door, which is not sealed, and then be broadcast throughout the rest of the structure. It's a floating junction box right there. The gas line does not have a dip tube. Closet's not insulated as it should be. No thimble. Water heater, that tape, that's just not going to cut it. This water heater is 11 years old. 50 gallons, they last about 10. This is the sediment trap, dip tube, okay, for the water heater. Furnace is missing that feature. We have some tape holding the conduit together. It doesn't look real promising.